Welcome to Tammy Street. Oh, she's just a baby, only 3 years old. This house has been meticulously maintained, but she's even upgraded too. We got a custom fireplace, we got custom barn doors up in the bedroom, and even the whole back patio deck has been customized. We got an extra patio cover with the Edison lamps, we got the pave stones and the turf, super cozy. We got all the best stuff too. We got a tankless water heater, we've got a whole house fan and even AC. El Cajon, right? On top of that, we got 1,700 square feet, 3 beds plus a loft. And here's the really cool part. We can easily turn that loft into a 4th bedroom. It was a builder option for these houses. We got a 2-car garage with super high ceilings in it, so there's plenty of headroom in there for all your storage or lifting your vehicles. The community is super clean, everybody's very friendly here, and the HOA is itty bitty teeny tiny. We got a nice big neighborhood park over there for the kids, and it's only 3 turns off the freeway. You're gonna pull off the freeway coming home and be in your driveway lickety split. This, guys, is a smoking little house. It's not gonna last. Act today. I'm Matt Honeycutt with Whissel Realty, and thanks for watching.